To add a disclaimer and logo, tap on Get Images and then select the Settings cog in the bottom right corner. Now you can tap into the disclaimer field and add your text as needed. Your disclaimer will show below your plan on the final image. To add a logo, tap on the Logo button and then tap Upload your logo and select your logo file. Now tap Done and then hit Save. To change your logo settings, select 2D and now tap the Settings cog in the bottom right hand corner. This is the Size and Format menu. You will be able to see your logo settings in the top right. Alter these options as needed and tap Save once you've finished. You can now save out your plan.